Yeah man, pleasant good afternoon and welcome to Gratto vlogs. You see it? Yeah man, some of the on the work again. Doing in the evening, I do some preparation. I dig down a place and level it up so I can put a tank there. You see it? Yeah man, so I flip the camera and show now. Yeah man, so this me I go and do in the evening. So I dump up this already, but we ain't gonna dump it up no more. I just leave it as it is until the hardware drop the black stems. When the hardware drops the black stems, I go just black up, then I finish dump both over there. Whitey! So I grade whitey that they start chill out. You see it? Come in. Come in man. Yeah, so boss, this the boss are cool out. boss is go and make a little evening chill out, you know, so me and him there go and do it thing. So yeah, so yeah, level it up, level up. So you can see we have the metal bar, we have a one teeth picker because the picker they run from the other side, so I have no time to go for that. We have a sledge, we have a shovel here, so I go and burn a fire set speed. I go and burn a fire here, so I don't know mosquito them out, is it? I go and burn a fire. Yeah man, so yeah, so I get together. Yeah, so I go and dig out, come on, dig out all I have to still. Right where that border they go across here, you want to clear out this pile. Yeah, but what I do, so I dig me, I put the stone on one side and I put the dirt one side because them dirt are the right here, so one them dirt I have to put in a compartment for set a nice nursery with some sweet pepper. Because I find that dirt are rich. So bring the instead of me bring the sweet pepper by my farm for sow the nursery, I'm gonna just pack up this dirt in a corner somewhere. Somewhere home here and just make the nursery. Yeah man. Dirt, tell you the dirt rich. Yeah, so. Yeah, so as me say, at the leveling up there, I go on with the naive. So I just dig out here, so. You have a couple stone inside there. You don't know where this ledge. The stone them ain't no really solid stone still because the stone them water soak. So by you knock it with the sledge and things, you see it start to crack. Yeah, so you can see water used to pass between the stone and you see stone them water mark. So you know no solid stone and so far you knock it with the sledge, them are gonna break. Well, this one now is a different kind of stone. This stone right here is a boy, deadly stone, brother, I'm telling you. But nevertheless, man and man, we have power over them, all things. Yeah, man, so this have to move. Yeah, man, so I'm going to keep on posted as I go along. And don't forget, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And you see it around there, you see the coconut tree? Yeah, the coconut tree, the tall, Coconut tree, the tallest star, but stuff coconut on it. You know, and then you don't know. You can see on the coconut tree, it have a Christophine tree. Yeah, man, in Jamaica, we say chocho tree, Yeah, man, so. And that. Flip the camera and show on the sky, because see, this is how the sky been looking from this morning. Getting another breeze and so on. Yeah, man, don't know it goes still. And the Lord in control, is it? So, others have to do what we have to do, while the Lord do what he have to do. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so. Let me see, yeah, so with it. I go and do a little thing. So, I did knock down most of the little galvanized thing inside it. That used to be a storeroom. The galvanized thing inside that so used to be a storeroom. So I knock it down so I could get space for the way I do. Because I have inside if I go finish dump out. But I leave a few things still because you don't know when rain fall, you have to catch water for mix the material and so I still can't play full as it. Yeah man, I can't move out everything at once. And then now I don't really have no water for catch. No gutter for catch no water. I have had a big drum over the side too. Over the storeroom right there. So. Yeah, I have had a big drum so when rain fall I get some water so. That's how it's set. Yeah man, so I have a perform some work in the evening. Yeah man. Just go and do what I have to do until the rain chip in. Still when the rain chip in, I know I have no control over that again still, see it? Yeah man, but as you can see, the breeze picking up. You see the breeze picking up a little. I'm not a weatherman so I can't tell you how much knots per hour. Yeah man, but the breeze a pick up. Breeze a pick up and the sky is still overcast. Yeah man, but that's how it go. You'll have to be. So have to do what we have to do. Yeah man. So still have a few plants behind the house. So that is I don't know the name of this style of banana. Them say some new style of banana Jamaica. Them grow real. The bunches real big. Yeah. 18, 20 other but and thing and one bunch. Lemongrass, me have yes still. Plant a few lemongrass tree. We have oregano's. No, oregano because you don't know if to start plant one and few tree behind the house. So that this plant here is a elephant bandit plant. The one right there is elephant bandit and I have a couple more up in the corner. See one way down there so that too. Let's see if it can zoom up. Yeah. See it have elephant bandit. See one right there so that too. That is elephant bandit plant the same way. Yeah man, so I put one and two trees behind the house. So by the time the house finish, you know it. We have things can reap. I even start reap pumpkin already still. Yeah, I start reap pumpkin already. Yes. We still have one more pumpkin on the tree. And pick off a few already. Pick off a few. I'm telling you them dry like chip George. Here they. Ready, you know. Yeah man, see it? Set up a thing out here because my peppermint tree done catch behind the house already. Find a dashing plant the other day, some of those thing it. I have some scallion. Couple root of scallion. I plant a couple root of scallion well here so. You only see one. This one look like it gone home. Have a pine right there so. Yeah man, so this are gone. I have a cocoa plant here to me plant this too. A cocoa plant here. Yeah man, so as you see. The day just gone. Dig out here so you see it. Yeah man. So as we progress, I keep you all posted, you see it? Yeah man. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, you see it? Yeah man, and tell a friend to go over there and subscribe to Gratto Vlogs, you see it? Yeah man. Rural Jamaican lifestyle, that's it, you see it? Yeah man. So until next time, you know, man, just go and do the right, you see it? Yeah man, do the right.